The latest image from NASA's James Webb Space Telescope shows a portion of the dense center of our galaxy in unprecedented detail, including never-before-seen features astronomers have yet to explain. The star-forming region, named Sagittarius C, is about 300 light-years from the Milky Way's and the 4.3 million solar mass black hole at the center of our Milky Way galaxy. Studying the Milky Way's center with Webb could provide insights into how many stars form there and whether massive stars are more likely to form near the galactic center rather than the galaxy's spiral arms. Amid the estimated 500,000 stars in the image is a cluster of protostars, stars that are still forming and gaining mass, producing outflows that glow like a bonfire in the midst of an infrared dark cloud. At the heart of this young cluster is a previously known massive protostar over 30 times the mass of our Sun. The cloud the protostars are emerging from is so dense that the light from stars behind it cannot reach Webb, making it appear less crowded when in fact it is one of the most densely packed areas of the image. Smaller infrared dark clouds dot the image, looking like holes in the starfield. That's where future stars are forming. Additionally, the observatory's near-infrared camera spotted ionized hydrogen emissions surrounding the stellar region's lower edge, depicted in cyan in the image. Webb's NIRCam captured large-scale emission from ionized hydrogen surrounding the lower side of the dark cloud, shown cyan-colored in the image. Typically, Crow says, this is the result of energetic photons being emitted by young massive stars, but the vast extent of the region shown by Webb is something of a surprise that bears further investigation. Another feature of the region that Crow plans to examine further is the needle-like structures in the ionized hydrogen, which appear oriented chaotically in many directions. Astronomers are still trying to determine what has created the vast amount of energized gas, which surpasses what would normally be released by young massive stars. The observation team is also intrigued by structures that look like needles within the ionized hydrogen that are arrayed without any order. Webb reveals an incredible amount of detail, allowing us to study star formation in this sort of environment in a way that wasn't possible